Our skin is our first line of defense against the sun's harmful ultraviolet, UV, rays. But have you ever wondered what happens to skin cells when they are exposed to excessive UV radiation? In a fascinating act of self-sacrifice, some skin cells intentionally destroy themselves to protect the body from further damage. When UV rays penetrate the skin, they can cause direct harm to the DNA inside our cells. This damage, if left unchecked, can lead to mutations that increase the risk of skin cancer. To counteract this threat, the body has developed a remarkable protective mechanism, apoptosis, also known as programmed cell death. Apoptosis is a controlled process in which damaged cells effectively commit suicide before they can turn into cancerous cells. When a skin cell detects severe DNA damage caused by UV radiation, it activates a group of proteins called p53 tumor suppressors. These proteins assess the extent of the damage. If the damage is reparable, the cell initiates repair mechanisms. However, if the damage is beyond repair, the cell undergoes apoptosis to prevent harmful mutations from spreading. Another way skin cells respond to UV exposure is by producing melanin, the pigment responsible for tanning. Melanin absorbs UV radiation and acts as a natural sunscreen, reducing further DNA damage. However, excessive UV exposure can overwhelm this defense, leading to cell death and visible signs of damage such as sunburn. Interestingly, peeling skin after a sunburn is a direct result of apoptosis on a large scale. The body sheds dead or severely damaged cells to prevent them from turning into cancerous cells. While this response helps maintain healthy skin, repeated UV exposure can still increase the risk of skin diseases over time. This self-sacrificing behavior of skin cells highlights the body's incredible ability to protect itself. However, it's still important to take precautions, such as wearing sunscreen, protective clothing, and avoiding excessive sun exposure, to minimize UV damage and keep skin healthy.